Good day guys, I'm Hassan and welcome to CAD Gizmo. Friends, in this video we are going to draw a house plan with the dimension of 22 feet 6 inches into 30 feet. So let's start the video. And guys, before I start the video, please like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to see the latest updates. So first we set the units. Type UN for units and press enter. Select the architecture and position 1/4 inches and click on OK. And now we set the basic dimensions, and for that type D and enter. Click on modify. First click on primary units and change the unit format to architecture. Now we go to text and give the text height 6 inches and click on set current and click on close and click on ISO standard. Now we go to symbol and arrows, give the height 6 inches and press enter. Click on OK, click on set current and close. So in this way we set our units and basic dimensions. Now we start a house plan. Type L for line, specify a point, give the direction and press F8 for linear movement and give the value 22 feet 6 inches and press enter. Type Z enter and E enter. Press F8 and give the offset 30 feet. Type L for line, like this. Type O for offset and press enter. Give the value 9 inches and press enter, like this, and TR double enter to trim this line. Now give the offset 12 feet and press enter. Select the line and give the direction. .5 inches. Select this line and click on break at point tool and click here. So in this way we separate the line. We select this line and type M for move and press enter. Press F8 and give the value 4.5 inches. And with the EX double enter, we extend this line. Now give the offset 9 feet. give the offset 2.5 feet. TR double enter, and we draw a door here, and with an arc tool A enter and draw the panel, and with the TR double enter we trim the extra arc. Give the offset 2.5 feet, and with the TR double enter we trim this. Draw a line with the length of 2.5 feet, and with an arc tool A enter we make the arc. TR double enter, move it 4.5 inches and give the offset 2.5 feet, and with the trim tool TR double enter we trim these lines. So in this way our shape is ready. Now we draw a window here, and the TR double enter and lead it. Now we draw a line here, like this we make the window. And now we draw our offset here, or enter for offset and give the value 5 feet 3 inches and press enter like this, and give the offset 9 inches. Draw a line here, check the dimensions, and with an arc tool we draw the arc. Select it and lead it. Move this line 4.5 inches and get the offset 3 feet. TR double enter and draw a line here with the 3 feet, and with an arc tool we draw the panel. Now we give the offset 5 feet. and get the offset 9 feet 6 inches. Now give the offset 9 inches like this. And move this line 4.5 inches and get the offset 36 inches, that's mean 3 feet. And with the TR double enter we trim this, and with the line tool we draw a line of 3 feet, and with an arc tool we complete this door. Now we give the offset 9.5 feet like this and trim this. Give the offset 9 inches. Select this line and click on bracket point tool. Click here. So we divide our line. With the line tool we pick the center point, and now we give the offset 24 inches, that's mean 2 feet. And with the TR double enter we trim this, and with the line tool 2 feet line, select it and type CO for copy it like this, and with the arc tool we draw the panels. TR double enter like this, select it and delete it. Type O enter for offset, give the offset 15 inches. .5 feet. Now we make a door here. Move this line 4.5 inches and give the offset 3 feet. With the TR double enter and type L for line 36 and press enter. Now with the arc tool we make this door. Zoom it, and with the trim tool we trim this arc. So in this way we make the door. Now we draw a window here. Type L for line and put the midpoint and click here. Give the offset 1.5 feet on both sides, and with the TR double enter we trim this and delete it. Type L for line and draw a line like this and give the offset 3 inches like this. So in this way we make the window. And now we make a door here. Move this line with the 4.5 inches and give the offset 3 feet. With the TR double enter, we trim this line. Now draw a line with the 3 feet, and with the arc tool we draw this. With the line tool, and from midpoint we draw this line and give the offset 2 feet on both sides, and with the trim tool we trim these lines and leave it, and we draw a line here and give the offset 3 inches like this. Now we make the stairs here. Give the offset 3 feet, like this, and give the offset 9 inches. With the trim tool, like this, and lead it. So in this way we make our stairs. And give the offset 7.5 feet, and with the trim tool we trim this, and we draw a line here to show the main entrance of the house. And now we make the layers, and for that type LA and press enter and click on new. Give the name wall, select the color and click on OK. We make another layer. For windows, and with the name of stair, and change the color and click on OK. Now close it. Select the doors and change the layer to door. And change the layer door. Now we select the windows and change the layer windows. Now we select our stairs and select the layer stairs, and now we select the walls and change the layer to walls. Select this line and select this line also, and select the layer wall. And with the match properties command, type MA, select the layer and click here. And now we draw the text, and for that type T and enter, specify the area and type here. Like this, and move this text here. Now we draw a text here, type bath and give the dimensions 6 feet, 4 feet and 6 inches, and click on close text editor. Now we move this text, and now we move this text like this. Now we copy this text and click here. Double click and select all and type this. Now we select the 1/2 and change it, and press shift and this icon, the fit icon, (4 feet and 6 inches), and click on close text editor. Select all, and this is our TV lounge. Which have the dimension of 10 feet into 9 feet. And with the double enter, we edit it and press Ctrl A, and this is our store area, and type store and give the dimension 5 feet into 9 feet 6 inches, and click on close text editor. We move this text like this, and this is our kitchen area. Select all and type kitchen and give the value 5 feet 3 inches into 8 feet, and click on close text editor. And this is our drawing room area, which have the dimensions of 9 feet 6 inches, eight feet and 6 inches. With the space bar, we move it like this. And this is our porch area. Type porch and give the dimensions 8 feet into 8 feet 6 inches. Copy it and type D, and for window you type W. Double click and type W for window. So in this way we make the simple house plan, and we make the layer for the text. Select it and click on select similar and change the layer text. So guys, in this way we make our simple house floor plan with the text and the layers. And guys, if you have any question related to this video, then please leave a comment, or you can contact me on WhatsApp also. And guys, take care yourself and see you soon in the next video.